Got hunchback posture and wondering how long it really takes to fix it? Have a seat, sit up straight, and let's talk about it. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. Be sure to check out the description box below as well as the cards throughout this video for helpful links to help you make your body better. You'll find links to our upcoming live workshops as well as do-it-yourself programs to help you make your body better. If you've got hunchback posture, you might be feeling a little bit embarrassed and ashamed and wondering, gosh, is there any way I can actually fix hunchback posture? It just requires time, patience, and doing the right things for your body. Your next question is probably, how long is this gonna take? I don't wanna have hunchback posture my whole life. And the 100% honest answer from what I've seen with my own hunchback tendencies and with clients that I've worked with who have a lot of kyphosis in their upper backs is that it really depends on the context of your hunchback. And what that means is how much are you doing that's good, how much are you doing that reverses that hunchback, and how much are you doing on a regular basis that puts you into that hunchback posture. If you have just a minor kyphosis, a minor bit of slouching and hunchbacking, then it could be really quick. I've seen people really drastically improve their hunchback in a period of 2 weeks, and I've seen other people take a really long time, and some people get stuck because they kept doing the wrong things for so much of their lives. How quickly you can improve your hunchback really depends on your habits and on the exercises that you're doing on a regular basis. If one of your habits is to do this all day long, which you might be doing right now as you're watching this video, then you're going to be encouraging your hunchback to stay a kyphotic hunchback. It's really easy to get stuck in this position and just keep on scrolling through, looking at Instagram or Facebook or Upright Health's website, because all these things are so fascinating. The unfortunate side effect, however, is that your spine gets really good at being stuck in this position. Or maybe you go to the gym all the time to work on your abs and you like to do crunches all day long at the gym, and you keep getting your body used to pulling the rib cage down and keeping you stuck in this hunchback position. This is not going to make it easy to improve your hunchback. If, on the other hand, you start integrating different strategies to improve your posture throughout the day, you'll start to see results and improvement in your hunchback posture quite quickly. So for example, if you're using the phone and you want to try to work on your posture while you're doing it, you might want to sit up against the wall with your chin tucked, your head pulled back, and your knees here so that you can just maintain this lined up posture without much effort. If you're looking for an exact number of days, weeks, or months that it's going to take you specifically to fix your hunchback posture, it's actually a number that nobody can give you. It's a number that nobody can predict. It really depends on how you are using your body and the habits and the exercises that you implement into your life. What this means is that your hunchback can get better or worse depending on what you're doing. So if you want to keep your hunchback moving in the better direction and improving and getting straighter, you need to constantly work at it and be paying attention to it so that it becomes a more natural position for you. And in the future, if you start to slack on it, you just go back to those old habits of staring at the phone like this all the time, it's going to bring your hunchback back. If you want practical ideas to help you improve your hunchback, make sure you check out the description box for helpful links as well as the cards throughout this video. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future hunchback videos. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this hunchback video. Be sure to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. You'll find a link in the description box. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't. Is this thing working?